So hey folks, another unboxing. If you know me by now, you know that I'm a big fan of this company, Govee. I use several of their smart plugs, several of their smart bulbs. Matter of fact, the light that's shining here is controlled by a Govee smart plug. This is the Govee Glide Hexagon Light Panels Ultra. It's in lunar white. It's 10 pieces. It works with Google Home. It works with Alexa. And of course, it works with the Govee app. I'm going to try to zoom out here a little bit and give you as much as I can in terms of, let me move this stuff out the way, in terms of visual. My space is a little tight that I'm using here at the moment. So let's not wait any longer. Let's dive into this so I can unbox it and get it installed. I took the cover off. You can see here, I'm opening it for the first time. It's not opened. There we go. Flip it over. Thanks for choosing Govee, it says. So let's see what we have. All right, let me make sure you got a good view. So we have this is a quick start guide. Before assembling, watch video tutorial. Download the Govee app, which I have already. Tells you what the model is. Plug each panel into power to check that each one lights up first. Makes sense, right? You don't want to install the panels and then find out that one in the middle doesn't work. This is shows you kind of how you can set it up with 10 pieces and 20 pieces. This is 10 pieces. And I don't want to grab it, open it yet. I just want to show you. Oops, well, I didn't want that to happen, but it happened anyway. This is five panels and 5 panels, right? There's nothing else in this part. I'll show you what's in here in a second. I didn't want this to happen, so give me a second to straighten it out. I kind of want to keep it. I'll take out 1 pound to show you because I kind of want to keep it intact. Okay, so here's a panel. On the back, you can see there it comes with the double-sided tape, and this kind of tape is really great because it's the one that if you need to ever take it down, you pull and it comes off, and then you can reinstall it. You can buy these and put them back on and reinstall it again. It's kind of like you raise up here, you see the arrow here, you pull it out and the panel comes off the wall. The front has the plastic coating. They have connectors that allow you to connect in whatever shape you want to put them in. So let me take this out just to give you a quick idea. Here's another one. And of course, once you put them in, you can put them in like this, whatever shape you want. I want to put them in. I already know what I want to do with mine. All right, so let me put that back in the box here. All right, and then in here, this is going to be a controller and all that, I'm pretty sure. Pull it out. You've got, I've got to take pictures of this too. So these are the connectors, as you can see, from one panel to another. I showed you the clips in the back. These simply plug into one and plug into the next light to create the link. Put these aside because I certainly don't want to lose any of them. Although you can buy them separately, I believe. I'm shaking this to get it out. Let's open the other side. Maybe it's easier. You have, this is syncing, telling you this is the app. The QR code is for syncing. And it's telling you, you know, a bit about it. Govee Home, the same thing. Alcohol wipes they give you to wipe off the surface. This is the power control. This will be the cord to it. Plugs in here, connects to the controller, which I believe should be in one of these. There's a main controller that's in one of them, and I think this is it. So you put the main controller here. It has the buttons on it to control, and It has a sticker on the back, so you can stick that to the wall, and you turn it on and off manually. You can also use the app, right? And sorry about that. My phone's ringing, but I'm gonna mute that. All right. What else we have here? We have an extender with for the power adapter with the connector. We have a level. They give you a level, really nice. And what else? They give you extra sticky pads, right? So that if you need extra for the controller, and if you mess up any sticky pads. So that's about it, and the user manual. So I'm gonna set these all up, pick a spot. I already know a spot where I want to put them, set them up, and then the next time you see them will be a continuation of this where I point the camera at them, show you them in action, and hopefully I can get the app to work on my tablet too so I can show you both at the same time. This is the Govee Glide Hexagon Light Panels Ultra. Stay tuned for the rest of the review, or the full review, and you can see a link to that review in the description below.